Hello everyone, I'm back Manito, Bolling Lake. We'll take some water. It's mineral water. Every time I come here, I take water from mountain, so no risk. There is some trash here because people take shower. Because you must know many people here, they don't have water at home because it's very poor. It's a long time ago. I was not in Manito. Manito is Albay Bicol. From Legazpi is 44 kilometers. But today I not come back to see the Bolling. But I will look, but I come back because I want to see the Bolling Sea. The sea was not boiling last time I was here, so I want to see. So before the lake was free, now they collect 20 pesos. Let's go. So in my oldest video you can find the Bolling Lake, and you can find also the mud pool. The mud pool is very boiling. It's also in Manito, but I guess I will not go today. It's hot. Here you cannot cook egg, but last time I did. Last time I cook egg, but not here in the mud pool. I have video, short video. Here all local, I take water. So let's go to the Bolling Sea. I take also water here because I get sick in Boracay. Since 4 days I have diarrhea. Every hour I must to poo. My gosh. So maybe with this water from mountain, I will recover more fast. Let's see. So I see the sea boiling. You will see in 5 minutes. It's 200-300 meters from here. People very friendly here. Hello. Someone there invite me to eat with him. I asked no, I just asked the route to the Bolling Sea. So if you want entrance fee, it's a resort. I don't go resort, I just want to see the Bolling Sea. So if you want to come here, I see the resort there, it's full of people, maybe because of that, I don't know. But it's not the best beach, you know, in Albay. Best beach, you must to go in Sorsogon. So to come here, it's Barangay Pawa. From a highway, you must drive few kilometers. Yo, kamusta ka? Oh, you shy now?
Yo, take a shot.
Ah, what you doing?
Gin.
Huh?
Gin.
No, no gin, I drive. No gin, no, no, no. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
I'm from Legazpi. Very friendly. But I don't drink gin, it's too strong. It's 40 degrees. I drive. That's my channel YouTube. You know me, I don't need to give my channel like some YouTuber desperate me. Always people asking my channel. I never give my channel. Always people asking. Yes, it's feel very hot here. You feel it's boiling. It's there you see boiling, but here I feel it's hot. Nice here, but little damage. You see? Oh my gosh, it's very hot here. Oh my gosh, like sauna. Oh, I start sweating now. I was fine. So today it's Thursday 25, I think. Yeah. Oh. So it's low tide now, I guess. So you see it's there. Wait, I try to go, but it's very muddy. Oh, my shoes. Ah, here so fresh. You know there is no traffic in Manito because Manito in the highway it's going nowhere. Only local here with tourists, but very few tourists. I never saw foreigner here. It's also gone, yes. I try to go more far than I can, but here it's become too much. So I will zoom. But I think you must wait a few hours and it will be very boring. So we'll zoom. So and you can see, but there is some cloud. The Mayan is there. But you know, it's not from Mayan. It's happened a few months ago, and it's I don't know how to say in English. Geothermal, geophysical. I don't know. So I guess now it's only one Bolling Sea in the Philippines. Here, Manito Albay Bicol. Ah, there I see it's very boiling. Look. Wait. It's not easy. Here. You see center of camera. You see how it's boiling. Look. You see? Yeah, you see it's boiling. Very interesting. I hear music very far. So very interesting to see. Not far from home. Till September I have planned to stay Bicol, but I will vlog but Bicol because I'm very tired to travel so far. It's very hard. You know, I still tired from my Boracay holiday, because you must to know I take many boat. I take boat from Sorsogon to Masbate, Masbate to Sibuyan, Sibuyan to Romblon, Romblon to Tabias Island, Tabias Island to Katiklan, Katikran to Boracay, but it's only 2 minutes Katikran to Boracay. But just I say, it was very hard. After when I'm back from Batangas to Legazpi by scooter on Luzon 440, but before I had Mindoro, I had boat Mindoro to Batangas, Katikran to Mindoro. You know, me, when I travel, for me, very important is how people they are. Not only the panorama, the beauty of Philippines. Yes, Philippines is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. I saw 40 countries like that. Africa, all continent except America. And Australia I was not. Because it's very expensive, Australia, maybe one day. But you know, if I go Australia, I want to see like the bush. I'm nature lover. I'm not to going to see Perth, Canberra, or I don't know which city are there. So, guys, that's all for this video. I will go someplace and doing another video, but not about tourism, about another thing you will see.